Okay, welcome to my project. I call it AIT-W. It's from Alphaseer Improved Taste Web Application. Let's get started to install the project. First, we have to install three applications: GitHub, Docker, and dbeaver. GitHub is for version control and backup the code online. Docker for running everything together. Like we have Python will run as a backend. JavaScript is for front end of our system. The last application that we use in this project is dbeaver. Dbeaver is a application that we can edit all value in the table or database. Okay, let's get started to install the project. First, go to the GitHub website, my repository. Before you install the code, you have to download the GitHub desktop application. Select at the code button, download with GitHub desktop. Or if you don't want to download GitHub, you can download as zip. But I recommend to use GitHub desktop. Before set up the code, you have to download the Docker. After you're finished, download the Docker desktop. Go to the folder that you download the project. If you're using GitHub, it should be on Document, GitHub, and AIT-W. Type CMD on the search bar. Or another way is you hit Window key and then type CMD and change the directory using command cd and the path of folder. For build the project, you have to type docker compose space build for build the project. This is the most important thing that you have to use the public internet to download the build environment from Docker Crown. If you're using the lab internet, it will not allow Docker for pulling the service from Docker Crown. After you build the project, you using the command again, change from build to up for running the project. Please go to localhost 3000. Here you will get the index page. At the top of the website, you will see the navigation bar. This bar will have a language change button and light mode and dark mode button. And you will see the register and login button here. From register, I will quick input the example information for create a new account. After you create a new account, let's log in into the website. Next, I will show you the admin account. From admin account, the navigation bar will change based on your role. If you are admin, you can see the two button appear here is as manage the assignment and manage user button. Next, I will use the dbeaver application for update the role of user in the database to show you the base role change on navigation bar. To connect the database at the top of the program, as you can see, we have the database menu here. Add the database, add new connection. From this menu, you have to select PostgreSQL, and then next you will see the host. You have using localhost from database. You input the AIT here and the authentication username and password. You have to input Postgres and password Postgres too. After you connect to the database, you can see in the database AIT schemas public table, and you will see all the table that we using in this project. I will show editing the user table. Here we have the role. If the role change from my design, this role for admin will use number 1, doctor will use number 2, and for patient or user we use number 3. Let me change the number and check in the website. The role will change followed by the number. Okay, let's continue on the admin feature that admin can using the manage user for inspection. From this table, as you can see, we have role and bound to. Bound to will show only normal user. If the patient bound to the doctor, it will show the doctor name. If it's not, it will show unbound. Here is the user that we create before. Here you can edit the name and save. On the search bar, we can search the name of user here. Okay, next let's see the manage assignment tab. From the reference book, we have only 9 topics. We can click at the manage for manage the assignment. From here, you can preview, try, edit, and delete. From preview, you will see the text that I input before, and try. You can input the answers and hit submit button for checking the answers and delete button. Here I will show you how to add the new assignment. First I will start with multiple choice. Here you have to input the title of this state and select the multiple choice and confirm. After you confirm, you can add the number of choice here. You can select from 2 to 10. After that, you can add the item. From adding the item, you can add the picture, input the prompt, adding the choice, and select which one is the answer key. After we create the assignment, as you can see, we can preview, try. From editing, as you can see, we can add the new, we can change the value in choice or prompt and adding new item here. Next, I will introduce the writing assignment. From writing assignment, here you can check if you want to manual review or not. Here I will start with auto review. You can input the prompt here and adding the pictures, and it's auto review. You have to input the answer key. Next is writing manual review. From manual review, you have to input only the prompt for this assignment, and that's it. After you adding the assignment, let's change to doctor account. In the doctor account, as you can see on the top of the website, on navigation bar, you will see the review, patient, and assignment button here. First, I will start with assignment tab. As you can see, the assignment tab. Only admin can add the new assignment, and doctor can only preview and try the assignment. Next is a patient tab. On this tab, you can search the name of patient that you already bound to that patient. If you want to add new patient, you can click add button on the top of the website and click add the bind button. This button will bind the patient to you. On inspection button, here you can add the assignment for the patient. You can select from drop down or click at the checkbox for adding the assignment here. After you adding the assignment, as you can see on the table below, it will show the score, attempt, and history of the patient. Let's log into the patient account. As you can see on the start practice button, you will see try button here. After you trying the assignment and retry, you will see it will show done, retry, and history. On the history tab, you can see the score and the eyes button. This button can show you in what answer that you answered before. Next, for manual review, here patient have to input the answer here. After submit, it will show on the doctor account on the practice page. As you can see, the last column of this page, it will show the progression of patient. This patient have only 3 assignments, but we done only 2 assignments. It will show 2/3. Next, let's go to doctor account. Here in the patient page, you will see the history of the patient here, and doctor can see the answer what answer that patient already answered in their assignment. For review tab here, as you can see, the question that patient already answered in writing manual review is will show here, and doctor can click at correct or wrong to review the assignment. Let's After the doctor has reviewed the assignment, let's check the assignment on patient account. I forgot to show you the writing auto review. Here in auto review, after you input the answer, it will show the score and which item is correct. That's all for my project. On the index page, as you can see, we have a first section is a introduction. On the second section is a how does this website work, and the last one is our mission is a tab for show about the developer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can my instruction for install this project.